बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज परोश ब्याक टॉपिक regarding taxonomy, that is classification of plant kingdom. Classification of plant kingdom. I have already told you that there are 5 kingdoms according to Whitaker's 5 kingdom classification. That much of kingdom you want, that is kingdom Plantae, also called as plant kingdom. As per his classification, first we define what is classification. Classification क्या हो? It is the scientific arrangement or ordering of living organisms, and in this case we have plants into different groups on the basis of their affinities or relationships, on the basis of their affinities or relationships. When we classify plants are classified on the basis of 3 important criteria. Number 1, first, early people classify plants on the basis of some morphological or superficial characters. And their classification, they propose a classification called as artificial system. Yum god scientists timo kori classify kingdom Plantae ya plant kingdom into number of groups on the basis of certain superficial morphological characters like shape of leaf, color of leaf, habit, or you can say length of stamens, insertion of floral organs, as in case of linear system. That means artificial system, it is that type of classification, in which plants are classified on the basis of few morphological superficial superficial characters like habit, means form and texture, form and texture, comma, shape and color of leaves, shape and color of leaves, comma, insertion of floral organs, and sometimes number and structure of stamens also. Number and structure. Kuni saat kari plant divide on the basis of number and structure of stamens also, like in case of stamens. Yim asan chi male reproductive parts, as in case of linear system. This Carlos Linnaeus classification this artificial system due that man name number and structure of stamens. तो चूंकि यथ मज पेट characters निवान यथ पर निवान superficial characters, that's why ये classification वारिया सहल ये चलिए वारिया कालस. And first this artificial classification, the first scientist who gave this type of classification is Theophrastus. Theophrastus. Means father of botany. And he divided this plant kingdom. He divided all plants at that time into 3 types. He divided all plants into 3 types. Number 1 is herbs. Number 2, shrubs. And number 3, trees. On what basis? On the basis of habit. On the basis of habit. On the basis of habit. That's for classification purposes. Different scientists gave different criteria. They give different criteria so as to classify these organisms. Kah ch a criteria nivan, kah ch byak nivan, kah ch byak nivan, kah ch byak nivan. Like Theophrastus, I knew whose criteria on the basis of habit, or we can say form and texture. At basis पर she divide all plants at that time. Kim ko ois Robert Zana into herbs, shrubs and trees. Herbs chasan short stem plants, soft chasan. ठीक है. Shrubs chasan thoda बहुत dense chasan, bushy type plant chasan. And third one, tree chasan, in woody plant chasan. ठीक है. Then classification regarding artificial one. This is first Theophrastus. Second is, it was Andrew Casalpino. Andrew, A-N-D-R-E-A, C-A-E-S-A-L-P-I-N-O, Andrew Casalpino. You also Italian botanist. Described about 150 plants in his book De Plantis. Described about 150 plants. Early one, 150 1500 plants in his book yat naam ch D Plantis Plantis D Plantis at kitab naam yat maz ye 1500 plant ch study karan describe karan and divide all these 1500 plants into two categories. Divide into two categories. One is herbaceous and doyum woody. On the base of their stem. On the base of their stem. I'm using stem into consideration. The soft stem, wood stems. That we call them as herbaceous. The woody stem, group that's called woody group. On the base of habit, on the base of form and texture of stem. And third science, that is John Ray Trium. JOHNRAY. John Ray was a British botanist. A British botanist. Divided herbaceous plants into divided herbaceous plants. And ये group form as such woody, but in herbaceous. After these subdivisions, divide herbaceous plants, herbaceous category, herbaceous plants into how many? Too many subgroups. One's called as perfecti, second called imperfecti. Perfecti, PERFECTAE, perfecti, also called as flowering plants. Flowering plants, then imperfecti, also called as non-flowering plants. Imperfecti, non-flowering. Concept base on the basis of flower. On the basis of flower. Go flower base per chi karan zero. And you see perfect issue. It's again divided into two types. Perfect issue base type. One's having two cotyledons seeds. We call them as dicots. And the group even asan seeds akoi khont akoi cotyledon, that's called monocots. That is thoda shi agar yem thoda akhra sa shuruat kar yem kor byak step add yem kor thoda byak add step ida kor chi gon with the addition of new characters is thoda bahut broad bana classification. ठीक है, in Simon perfecti, that's flowering one, and imperfecti, non-flowering one, and perfect is further divided into two types, one is dicot, second monocot, third one, and fourth one, that is among the artificial system, this is the best one, that is fourth, that's called as Linnaeus system, proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. Linnaeus system of classification. It is best one among the artificial ones. Carolus Linnaeus was Swedish naturalist, Swedish botanist, Swedish naturalist cum botanist. I'm sorry, science one natural science. Tawai science zanwan naturalists or botanist. Come taxonomist. You know what? He used another category, he used another character, that is sexual system of classification. It's also called as sexual system of classification. Sexual system of classification. Because for the first time Linnaeus used sexual organs for classification of plants, and based on structure and number of stamens. Structure and number of stamens, Linnaeus divides all the plants at that time into 24 classes. Plants are divided into how many? 24 classes. On the basis of structure and number of stamens. And he also gave special significance to insertion of floral organs. Insertion of floral, यानी ये हसा यम flowering part शासन यम कत जगह शासन insertion कतन छ यम छ ovary head छ ovary bone छ यम parts यम flowering part like sepal शासन petal शासन stamen शासन carpel शासन in insertion कतन छ on that basis banning 24 classes. 24 classes. This was about the first system, that is artificial system. With increasing knowledge and with increasing characteristics, more and more characteristics were taken into consideration for classification. Time मतलब कोई जिस कम characters classification थोड़ा बना थोड़ा बहुत. That's what's called artificial one. शो आता वारे easy आसान. ये easy ते convenient ते precise te. But with the advent of new characters, new characters of like anatomy characters cha, cytological characters chi embryological characters chi phytochemical characters chi biochemical characters chi new characters I. That's a broad classification and it becomes somehow natural. That's why I'm putting the that's called as natural system classification. Second system is natural one. आप क्या फर्क होता है किस यह few characters निवान pit characters निवान हुत वारे ज़्यादा characters निवान which is characters in addition to morphology, anatomy touch, embryology touch. In addition to that, biochemistry touch. That's why second one is the natural system. Don't you want natural system? In addition to external characters, versus external features, like leaf size, leaf shape, leaf color, habit, texture, वगैरह, I may allow. In addition to internal characters, internal characters, anatomical characters, ANATOMIC, anatomical characters, features, embryological features, as well as biochemical features are taken into consideration. Kam khatir? For classification of plants. It's my phytochemistry. Phyto, PHYTO, chemistry. Yam says varia biochemical features nivan. Chunki yat much is varia the character nivan into consideration. That's why it has brought out natural affinities. This classification, it brought out natural affinities. Natural affinities amongst the organisms were ascertained. And first system in this classification was proposed by now A.L. Jesu. A.L.J.U.S.S. This J.U.S.S.I.E.U. A.L. Jesu. He divided plant kingdom into 15 classes. Which are naturalist. He divided plant kingdom. How many? Into 15. 15 classes. 15 classes on the basis of hypogyny. On the basis of position of ovary. On the basis of position of ovary with respect to other floral parts. And depending upon the position of ovary with respect to other floral parts, we have three conditions. Number one, hypogyny. Hypo means now word hype means below. Hypo means below, which means all the parts, sepals, petalus, and androecium, they are below the ovary, which means that ovary is at superior position. Ovary at superior position. Ovary superior. Ovary superior. Like in the for example, ovary superior kya go? Travel condition ka push. Yus flower छ आसान थोड़ा करो सफेद flowers पर कथ यस flower छ आसान a typical flower consists of 4 flowering whorls 4 floral whorls 4 covering छ आसान केन छ 3 छ आसान ता वन बो 4 number 1 गोल्ड covering छ आसान तछ वन calyx 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 it is made up of sepals doyum corolla carolla it is made up of petals third one is it is androecium 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 it is made up of stamens male reproductive parts and fourth one you have gynoecium noecium it is made up of carpels or pistils carpels or pistils ठीक है इस gynoecium छ आसान या stamen छ आसान इतना होगा sepal छ आसान it is usually small leaf like structure green छ आसान outermost छ आसान and but petal थोड़ा बड़ी पहुं आसान like this you have a petal and third one you have a stamen like this it's having a lobed organ called as anther and it was filament is gynoecium छ आसान it is like this it's having a basal part called as ovary this is carpel each carpel then middle part is called style and the upper part receptive part that's called as stigma and in case of hypogyny first condition hypo means below क्या शाबाश सारी पार्ट्स आसान below और इस टॉपस पे ठीक है इस ये फ्लावर छ आसान प्रत का फ्लावर इस पर कैलेक्स छ आसान करोला छ आसान एंड्रोशियम छ gynoecium आसान इन सारी छ आसान इस बेस पर गोड दैट्स कॉल्ड एज फ्लावर बेस that's one receptacle also called as thalamus and cancer plant must cancer fruit must thalamus as edible part for example in case of apple it is the thalamus in case of pear it is the thalamus that edible part that's what I was talking about pseudocarpic fruits false fruits true fruit goes to fruit which is derived only from the ovary and false fruit goes so it has ovary sweet some floral parts like thalamus also took part in the formation of fruit that's called false fruit and apple is a false fruit because it is the fleshy thalamus ठीक है am pat आसान वन लोड के flowers you guys base you go load let's show nice शाबाश it's called as pedicel PEDIC pedicel leaf is let's show PTO that's show pedicel am pat शुरू गोडनु को calyx it arises in the form of small leaf-like structures like this. It arises in the form of small leaf-like structures. Each structure is called as sepal. And but nearan byak organ that is in the form of petal. ठीक है and but what है organ that is androecium को त्रै होती हो stamens it arises here in the form of stamens ठीक है and हो क्या हो gynoecium it occupies the superior position. Sepals to bond kind, petals to bond kind, stem to bond kind, it occupies the superior position. That's why it's called a hypogamy. You get such condition, it must ovary as at the superior position, baki as at inferior condition, inferior position. Teacher, it's called hypogamy. Hypogamy condition. That's called opposite. That's called as epi. B. Epigynous. Epigynous क्या हो? I'm opposite. Epi means now word ep means above. That means sorry plural head kind, ovary kind, bone kind. Now it put this. पता Sapulus here, petalus here, stamens here. ठीक है ovary का नहीं ovary should one kind go the boys ovary should at inferior condition. It is the boys ovary is having superior position. Superior position. You got much chance to one way you got much chance. In case of hypogynous, it is ovary at the top position, baki essentially at the bottom position. That in case of brinjal. Solna melongena, brinjal. But epigynous, it is present in case of apple. It is present in case of cucumber. C cucumber. Large chest come on. Ya al chasan. Yaman chasan sari hair kanet or yasan bon kanet. Naman chasan or sari hair kanet, walk yasan bon kanet. Bia condition go third condition. That's called as perigynous. Peri kya go? Itne habo. Peri go. Why the floor organs, they are at the middle of the ovary, like this. Itne habo. Sapulus sheetin. Temple shabash. Petalus sheetin. Patus stamen sheetin. Ovary ki middle per chwatani. Atmas perigynous. Perigynous. Atmas ovary may be either half superior or half inferior. Shinasa? Half superior or half inferior. ठीक है this was about me तो असली को कथ करना कथ पढ़न natural classification हम नो गोडनुक system to ALJSO wherein he divide plant kingdom into 15 classes on the basis of hypogyny and second perigyny and third one is epigyny and third one is perigyny. On the basis of position of ovary with respect to other floor organs, he divide all the plants into 15 classes. ठीक है वो थोड़ा बहुत ची बैक कैरेक्टर क्या नो कैरेक्टर करान discover कम खोतर so as to classify these organs. Do you? That's very important. This is now a word with taxonomy. Excuse now, who coined that term taxonomy? Huh? It was A.P. de Candolle. A.P. de Candolle, who gave the term taxonomy for the first time in 1813. He क्या करा कौन? A.P. de Candolle was a French botanist. And you know a criteria. In order to classify plants. He take vascular bundle, or we can say vascular system. Vascular tissue. He take vascular tissue as his criteria for classification of plants, and he divide this kingdom Plantae into two types on the basis of presence or absence of vascular tissue. Kingdom Plantae into two types. One is called vasculare, Vasculare. Vasculare means plants having vascular bundle, vascular tissue. And second one is cellulare, Cellulare. Cellulare means lacking vascular tissue. Lacking vascular tissue. Like Ashkarakathas algae, non-vascular tissue, cellulare. Ashkarakath kam, shabash. Bryophytes. Ashkarakath lichens. Thylophytins kachkaras, which is serious cellulare. When you know a criteria, that's the vascular tissue in order to classify plants into two categories. Then, third one is best classification is Sarsi Anxious most as istemal chigasan. Yet base per Suri plants as classify that is Bentham and Hooker's system of Bentham. Bentham and Hooker's system of classification is the best natural system of classification proposed by George Bentham and J.D. Hooker. You see, George Bentham and J.D. Hooker, they gave a comprehensive classification. They gave comprehensive classification this move. In their 17 volume book, comprehensive classification in 17 volume, 7 volumes तक किताब, 17 volume book, book's now Genera Plantarum, book's now Genera, Genera Plantarum, Plantarum. Irishmo 7 volume mazan, yet mazim comprehensive classification given for 92,205 species of plants. And Diwan Kashiv, they divide all these plant species into 3 major groups. Plant kingdom, plant kingdom. Emes kuda plant ch ida plant. Ida shim describe karan. 92,205 species. Species means it's a group of individuals which can interbreed among themselves and form fertile offspring. Species. It's divided into how many? 3 groups. It's divided into 3 groups. Number one, dicotyledons. Dicotyledons. Number 2 group is gymnospermy. And third one is monocotyledon. And this dicot is further divided into 3 divisions. Now, 3 groups. That means it is group first, this one is group second, and this one is group third. And this dicotyledon group is further divided into 3 divisions. First is called polypetally. Polypetalae. Second is called as gamopetally. Gamopetal. And third is called monoclamidae. monochlamidae. Polypetally, gamopetally and monoclamidae. थोड़ा कर एक्सप्लेन नम्स ये कर एक्सप्लेन. Poly मतलब गो यम छ 2 वर्ड. आ गो poly, ब्या गो petally means petal. ये बोट को पर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्लावर तह वन बह यम साथ सारे पेटल्स आसान, चाहे पेटल्स 3 आसना 5 आसना या खुद ज्यादा आसन, अगर सारे पेटल्स अलग अलग आसन, when they are separate from each other, we use the word poly. Poly means free petals. That means all the petals they are free from one another. अलग अलग आसन. अमिक ब्याक contrast गो gamo. Gamo means fused. When all the petals are fused together, as बात नेबर किन छ अकोई मगर आसन तिम 4-5 कोड़े fuse गमस. When all the petals are fused, we use the word gamo. Gamo means fused petals. Go anchor dicotyledons into 3 divisions. A group thomun yimon petals asan alag alag asan. Byak thomun byak division yimon fused petals. The byak thomun monoclamidae पर ना चलो बोर्ड को क्या को बोर्ड को इंशाल्लाह. This was about the natural system classification proposed by Bentham and Hooker in comprehensive in कथमस कोरी मोय शाबाश जनरल प्लेंथ्रम किताबा तो मस कोरी मोय सारी डिटेल्स मजिम तो नमस 7,5 species of plants यम कोरी मोय divide into these groups. And third one, that is phylogenetic. पर इंशाल्लाह सुबह ठीक है आज खुद को इंशाल्लाह युद्ध. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.